And look what I found here. Holden Commodore. And you know what? I think it's even made in Australia. That's brilliant. And what I have here is another water pump. I thought I'd pull out the big guns. I had a problem with the last two I just tested. Both pumps seem to have gone in vastly different directions. One of them is much more efficient than I expected, and the other one's much less than I expected, so I'm glad I tested them. They turned out to be basically 100% difference in efficiency. One of them uses more than just over twice the power to pump the same amount of water. So, I found myself another one. Just in time for the sun to go down. What we have here is a high-powered Radiator impeller pump. And if we turn it over, this one is a Dave pump. So I know it's got a Holden hose on it. It is actually a Ford pump. So, despite the fact it's aftermarket and there is no racial jokes going on there at all. Okay, so I figure there's probably enough of those with the, anyway. So what we have here, after I've oiled it and serviced it, is I'm going to crank up the power, and I'm going to check the timestamp on the clock again. And what do we have here is, holy crikey Moses. Alright, we have a lot of water, and more importantly the power, 12 volts, 4.5 amps. So, this poor old little fella down here turned out to get the stiff end, unfortunately. He really took it at only half the efficiency. I'm hoping this one is going to be every bit as good as the pond pump. It's now sucking on water because I just lifted it up slightly, and there you go. We'll see how that turned out, because the power consumption is not through the roof. It's dropping now, obviously, because it's run out of water. But I don't bother with the analog meter, because the analog was only necessary due to the unusual motion of the up and down rubber pump. So yeah, a little inconsistent. But these, however, are perfectly consistent under these circumstances. So I'm going to go with those numbers on the power supply. And yeah, go back and do some more math. So soon we will see the truth about the future.